Okay, so this is my vet clinic called Companion Friends Healthcare. So first we have the reception room along with the retail area. So we got the reception desk with like cabinets and like a laptop and stuff, and then we have seating, we have hand sanitizer, and we have a way that I tried to make. And then along here we have the retail area. We have like pet toys and treats and like costumes, etc. In reception room, you'll find things such as seating, sanitation stations, scales, receptionist desks. Along with the retail area, we can purchase things such as treats, collars, costumes, products, and etc. So in the main examination room, we got cabinets, sinks, a desk to put whatever animal on, some like little things where you put treats and like cotton swabs and other like tools you'll need to check out a pet and their seating for the clients. And here's just the other rooms. They're basically the exact same, nothing really different. Ignore that I broke that block by accident. In examination rooms, there are seating for clients, tables, sinks, and tools and items like cotton balls and swabs, paper towels, PPE, nail clippers, stethoscopes, otoscopes, thermometers, and a lot more. Examination rooms are very clean and nice and often used to check up on animals. The consultation room is used for clients talking to veterinarians, vet techs, or whoever, and it's also used for anesthesia for animals when putting them down, and it's a comfortable and clean and nice space. You'll find things such as comfortable seating, tables, items such as stethoscopes, and anesthesia laryngoscope, and other tools. And then down this hallway, the next room you'll find is the pharmacy. Just lots of shelves and little things to put things in, just full of medicine, and sometimes you'll find computers and other stuff in there. In pharmacy, there are mostly just shelves and medication, but a lot of the time there are other things like shampoos, etc. And sometimes you might find paperwork and computers. Anyway, in the next room we have the laboratory. So there's stuff like personal protective equipment and microscopes and more things that I'll put onto the black screen. In the laboratory, there are things such as PPE, personal protective equipment, microscopes, refractometers, autoclaves, centrifuges, analyzers, and tubes with chemicals or anything else in it. And then continuing down the hallway, you can find paintings. And in this room, we have the examination room, seating, desks, sinks, shelves, and a fridge. In examination rooms, you'll find things like fridges, shelves, tools, desks, sinks, and tables. Animals receive exams and collect medical history and do treatments. And then down this hallway, you'll find the radiology room. They have like a computer and personal protective equipment to protect from the radiology, and then like walls, different kind of walls. In radiology, you'll find imaging equipment for x-rays, technology to see pictures, lead-letting walls to shield, PPE, control booth, and a table to put patients on. And radiology is used to diagnose and treat the animals by using x-rays, CAT scans, ultrasounds, MRIs, and more. And in the surgery room, it is very clean, organized, and sanitized. You'll find sinks, an operating table, trash cans, and computers, and more. In the surgery room, you'll find anesthesia equipment, IV pumps, autoclaves, surgical lights, and tools. It is very clean and sanitized. And this big room is the kennel room. There are places to keep the animals temporarily and have walls blocking the view from the animals to each other to prevent diseases spreading. And we have some cats and some dogs in here. In the kennel room, there are walls separating the animals to prevent diseases from spreading. Oftentimes, they will have blankets inside of the kennels. They always should have water with them in the kennels. Then in here is the isolation room, and this is used to isolate an animal if they're sick or if they're aggressive, and it's usually very calming for them and quiet. In the isolation room, there is a kennel separating a certain animal from the others because of spreading diseases purposes, or maybe they are aggressive. Isolation rooms should be quiet, underwhelming, and comfortable. You'll find things such as sinks sometimes and obviously a separated kennel.